Sup? It's terrible.
What's up, guys?
All right, we are back in the booth now. It's boiling hot in here. But me and Tom have been scraping off the old underseal. Really time-consuming job, and it's a bit of a nightmare because it doesn't come off with blasting, and you sort of miss quite a lot of it when you're scraping it off. So, been tidying that up. It is literally like bathroom sealing. It's sort of like silicone-y and rubbery and not the right stuff. So, anyway, we're pretty much there with it now. Obviously, roof is on. Follow me around here. That's all just spot welded on. We've just got to bare metal the outer skin. The goal is get the underside done first and get that matched and painted in Tara green, as I was telling you guys earlier before. Lovely metallic. We're going to do the underside in that first, and that'll look lovely, and then make start the rest of the shell. So, sweating away in here, but we're almost ready for epoxy now, wouldn't you say, Tom?
Yeah, pretty close.
Pretty close. Awesome. Tom's doing a sterling job masking her up. Pull some sheet over it and we should be good to go. So we'll see you when it's grey. Okey pokey. So you guys last saw this get primed underneath. Yeah, long and short of it is that we are now all Cobra'd. So it's tintable Cobra, like I was saying, in Tara green metallic. And we then scotched it and lacquered it as well. So we've got a nice sort of Cobra underseal effect. And of course it's lovely and shiny and glossy and protected, and that's about as good as the underneath of a car can get. Looks like a apple sweet, and I sort of just want to lick it. It looks lovely. So yeah, it's gorgeous, and I'm really excited to do the rest of the car now. Tom's done a cracking job of doing this. We're about to put her in the booth and do the interior sort of bay. So not the engine bay of the boot. I'm going to get that in some epoxy primer and protect that. And then make a start on doing the bodywork on the outside, blocking it all down. We'll get that in primer, paint the outside, paint the bays. Yeah, it'll look exactly like this, but painted and smooth. So I missed out a crucial part of entertainment last time I saw you guys about the old roof skin that we put on. So Alfie, insert photo of mashed roof here, and you guys can see how fantastically well the delivery company did at delivering that. So I had to get another one. Thank you very much. But yeah, we're there now. Yeah, we're literally all wrapped up. We just got to crack on and get some product on this, start putting some paint on it. So stay tuned. You'll see Tom hard at work in any minute, I'm sure. So yeah, I'll walk you guys around to the interior. You can have a little look at what we've been up to in here. Row-locked, I suppose you would say. We've got these like purple row-lock discs, which are absolutely fantastic, and they're great. They're like the orange ones used on a grinder for stripping off sort of material, paint, filler, etc. Doesn't damage the metal, so they're really fantastic. So we just went over the inside, cleaned up any of the edges. Some bits went a little bit rusty while it was sitting around before we could take some time to get some T-Foss on it. So yeah, we just treated that with a bit of rust converter, scraped off some more sealer, and we're pretty much there, I think. So yeah, we're gonna let that dry off a bit, mask her up, get in the booth and put some primer on it. So we're really happy with it so far. Customer is really excited as well, so that's always fantastic. And that's the biggest thing to me. So without further ado, I'll shut up. So take it away, Tom. Alrighty, well, we have a nicely epoxied Clubman interior that I'm just going to start wiping down with some panel wipe and a bit of microfiber, and we'll get doing some seam sealer, and then we'll get some 2K primer on it, and then we'll paint it. So yeah, we'll sort of wrap the interior up and move on to the exterior afterwards. But yeah, Jesus, it's taken some time to do it here. A lot of hours and stubbed fingers, repetitive. But we're here, and yeah, once that's got some 2K primer on it and sealer and things, that'll all start to come together, and yeah, it's going to look really lovely in here.
So the Mini continues. Excuse the mess, quite a lot going on. The filler work on the body of the Mini is done. So now it's just time to get it into some epoxy. Using the LS107 as always. Calagrau colour, which is like the light grey. So gonna get spraying that, get it all nice and sealed. Then we'll be on to seam sealing and primer, and then paint. You know the drill. Yeah, it was quite a lot of sanding work, but we've got through it in a decent time. So it's nice to get it moving on to this stage where kind of the ball really gets rolling now. You know, like the heavy workload part of it is somewhat done. Actually gonna put more epoxy in. It's quite hot, so I don't want to mix up too much. I don't want it to set off whilst I'm spraying, but that was a little too little. So moving onwards, we'll get this nice and sprayed and then bake it off. Hopefully start sanding it today if it's not too soft. We can aim to get her completely ready for outside paint tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, sorry, next week, I mean. And then we got to tackle the inside of the boot and the engine bay, as we got it on a rollover jig. As you can see, we can spin it upside down and stuff. We got like big old beams inside of the engine bay and the rollover jig, so we're going to have to work out a different way of holding the car so that I can get inside there without too much obstruction. because we really want everything to be spot on with this. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda, and let's get it cracking. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a scorching day today. Nevertheless, we are chipping away at the Mini. As you can see, it's all in epoxy now. Everything's really starting to roll together. Epoxy, guide coated. Just gonna sand this down, then get it in primer, and next time you see this, it should be the last episode on this. So we're all very excited about that. Final stretch, still some hard hours to put in, but essentially we're there, you know? So thanks for watching, guys, and you'll see us again soon, I'm sure.